In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft Java Edition on your PC using an Xbox controller. So let's get started. To use your Xbox controller for Minecraft Java Edition, we'll be using Steam's controller support. First, go to store.steampowered.com. Download and install Steam. Once installed, create or log in to your Steam account. Now Steam will let you map your controller inputs and make them work with Minecraft. Then, open Steam and click Add a Game in the bottom left corner. Select Add a non-Steam game, then look for Minecraft Launcher in the list. If it doesn't appear, do these things shown on screen. Once done, click Add Selected Programs, and now Minecraft is added to your Steam library. And now, click the Big Picture Mode icon in the top right of Steam. This launches Steam's controller-friendly interface. Go to Settings, then Controller Settings. From here, make sure Xbox configuration support is checked. If you're using a different controller like PS4 and Switch Pro, enable that instead. You can also disable controller sleep mode here, so it doesn't turn off automatically. Still in Big Picture mode, go to your library and open the Minecraft Launcher entry. Click Manage Shortcut, then Controller Configuration. You can now map the controls however you want, and there are two options. Option 1, you can customize controls manually. And on option 2, it is recommended use a community-made profile. Click Browse Configs, go to the Community tab, search for or select a top-rated Minecraft profile, for example, Minecraft Java Xbox controller. Apply the one that fits your style. These profiles are pre-made, so most buttons like movement, mining, jumping, and inventory will already be set up. Once the config is loaded, check the mouse sensitivity used for camera movement via right stick. If it feels too slow or too fast, go into right stick, mouse sensitivity, and adjust. A good starting point is 50 to 75, depending on your preference. Now here's a note. If you noticed items dropping or weird chest interactions, try customizing buttons like exit inventory or drop item to avoid overlaps. Then, exit Big Picture mode or launch Minecraft directly from Steam. Your Xbox controller should now work in menus and in-game. Move around, build, mine, and just like you would on console. So if something feels off, go back into Steam's controller configuration and tweak the layout to match your playstyle. And that's it! You can now play Minecraft Java Edition on your PC with an Xbox controller using Steam.